Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to cover about Notebook LM service. Now this service is slightly placed differently. We don't have an icon. As far as for me, I could not find a Notebook LM item inside the typical hamburger menu which Google offers over here, but you could access it if you want using notebooklm.google.com, and you will reach over here. So I have this is the welcome page, and I have just created a blank book that's untitled over here. Moment you go, it will ask you to choose whatever resources you want. So it can be anything. It can be any kind of material which can be a source: transcripts, sales documents, right, research reports, notes. So if you're someone who's into research especially, right, and you have different sources of information which you want to verify or test your queries against. It could be some websites, some YouTube videos, your own research material. You can compile everything, add everything over here as a source, and then query on top of it. So if you are looking for a specific answer to a problem statement and you don't know which video has it, or which document you will find it, though you might have researched in past, and or you might have some reference documents about it, so just putting it over here, right, and figuring on top of it will give you an answer. So this is very, very powerful. Use case is slightly limited to research professionals, I feel. uh, it might not be useful to everyone, but I feel they are the most you know most benefit out of using this service is the research professionals, where they constantly build their own material, do experiments, record, right, and then finally they want to review things, or check, test what is completed, what is pending, or where what is available, recorded, right. So all that information can be fed over here and can be retrieved. So it's like personalized search, not only working on text but working on audio, video, right. So even YouTube videos, it can search from. That's the most powerful thing about this search, the service. So I tried to create one and Hoya as my first book, and I put up a query, right, how to use Notebook LM in it, and I allowed it to search it over the internet and add all these as resources for it to answer this question. So I just did that as an example to check how it would work. Right? So very nice service. Very, very. I mean, it's. I've not seen this anywhere else. It's unique, I would say, to what it does, and very helpful for research professionals. That's what is my take on it. Let me know if this service benefits you in any other ways, right? So you can please feel free to share that in your comments. Thank you so much for watching your video. Do subscribe to my channel. Have a great day ahead. Bye.